Live from New York, right outside the back alley right here at Mirage Nightclub. The site that started it all, the very first shotgun, and we are back. Inside, it's hot, it's happening. They're dancing, they're partying, they're getting ready for action. And it was right here, ladies and gentlemen, right here that Ahmed Johnson took it to the streets. The very first shotgun, where he took a member of the Nation of Domination to the car. Look at this, set him up, and bang, crashed him down. We're also out here, ladies and gentlemen, where Paul Bearer and Vader, what are you guys doing?
I can't find Mankind! He's been missing for 2 hours, and we don't have any idea where he's at! Mankind! Mankind! I don't know! He's looking enough and he's not here! Wait a minute. Yes!
What is he doing?
Where have you been? Come here quick! Mankind!
Where the hell you been? I gotta wrestle!
Oh hell, Uncle Paul. Don't you remember last week? The dancing women? Oh no. The loud music? The sex? I can't wait to get inside! I love this place! And they love me! Have a nice day!
Get a hold of yourself! Hey, I got a job to do tonight! Get a hold of yourself!